Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2017 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, bed liner, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, rain sensing wipers, fog lamps. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.